The Camp Nou is entering a crucial phase, and today, we've got several important updates you don't want to miss. The compression ring is getting closer to its final closure, while new work is appearing across the VIP ring, third tier and second cantilever. So let's get straight into the stadium and see exactly what has changed. The new press and media area is taking shape inside Spotify Camp Nou. This large space will be used by around 300 journalists on match days, with dedicated areas for media work, meetings, communication, and social media teams. A separate studio is also being prepared for interviews and content production, while the mixed zone will allow both Barca and visiting players to speak with the media after matches. The new first-team locker room is one of the biggest interior developments inside the stadium. The players will have individual lockers with their names, Barca colors integrated throughout the design, and a large central island in the middle of the room. The new hydrotherapy area is being prepared as a complete recovery zone for the first team. It will feature a large pool for hot and cold water treatments, together with a steam room, showers, and a sauna. This will give the players a dedicated space for recovery and treatment directly next to the new locker room. The player access route connecting the first team facilities with the stadium is also taking shape. This area will provide the players with a direct route between the locker room and the pitch. New reinforcement work is progressing in the Tribuna corner, where two Y-shaped steel supports have now been installed and connected to the main structural elements. These supports form part of the reinforced structure designed to carry the compression ring and future roof loads. The next stage will be the installation of the bracing beams and longitudinal beams, after which this section will be prepared for the compression ring boxes. Painting work is continuing across the VIP ring, with several rendered walls now receiving their final finish. Crews are working from elevated platforms, gradually replacing the earlier unfinished surfaces with the darker final treatment. The work is progressing across the upper VIP areas and is giving the ring a much more complete appearance. The upper levels of the third tier are now seeing more block wall installation. Crews are building new internal walls and divisions, gradually closing off different sections of the structure. These walls are helping define the future rooms, corridors, and service areas of the upper level, with the work progressing section by section. Wall finishing work is advancing around the second cantilever, particularly in the areas where the walls have already received their render. Several sections are now being painted, while other areas are still undergoing preparation and finishing. This is another visible step toward closing and completing the interior spaces beneath the upper stands. The combination of block walls, rendered surfaces, and painting is gradually transforming this level from a structural space into defined interior areas. At North, the decorative ceramic lamas are continuing to advance, with LED lighting now being installed directly across the facade. Additional light fixtures are appearing along the northern sections, including areas that previously had no lights. At the same time, work is continuing on the supporting superstructure, which will allow the decorative lamas from North to connect with those already installed in the lateral sector. Further work is underway on the structural beams of the North Mobility Core. Several beams and columns have already been painted, while workers are applying a protective treatment to the steel connections using spray equipment. This treatment appears to be intended to protect the structure, potentially against corrosion and fire. Once this process is completed, the superstructure required for the decorative lamas can be installed. The North Mobility Cores are continuing to progress, with one of the previously less developed sections now showing significant sandwich panel installation. Other parts of the core remain at an earlier stage and still require additional enclosure work before the decorative facade can be completed. The progress in these cores is gradually preparing the northern side for the next phase of exterior finishing. All three diamond-shaped structures in the lateral sector are now showing active construction work. Internal walls and concrete divisions are beginning to rise inside the diamonds, while substantial leveling work is also taking place around them. The three structures are progressing at a similar pace as they move toward their internal subdivision and finishing stages. Work on the lateral sector facade is progressing around the mobility cores. One of the more advanced cores already has sandwich panels installed between the first and second tiers, while the areas above are still waiting for their exterior enclosure. Other sections are being prepared with supports and stored components for the future installation of the decorative ceramic lamas. The commercial diamond at Travesera delle Cor is now fully enclosed with its glass elements installed. This structure forms part of the future commercial area connected to the stadium, and its completed enclosure gives a much clearer indication of how the finished space will look as the surrounding works continue. New anchor supports have been installed along the prepared structures in the Tribuna area. Several of these anchors are now clearly visible on the supports, marking further preparation for the upcoming exterior finishing and lama installation work in this section. The supports are being prepared systematically across the structure, creating the base for the next facade elements. The second-level sandwich panel installation has progressed rapidly in the corner area. Several new panels have been installed, covering most of the previously open sections around the mobility cores. Only a few remaining gaps still need to be completed. The speed of this installation is making the corner look significantly more enclosed compared with the previous update. The south goal facade remains largely advanced, with the ceramic lamas already installed across the main sections and the LED lighting fixtures also in place. There are still a few finishing elements and remaining lama sections to complete around the corners, but the overall facade is already taking its final appearance. Most of the visible facade work here is now focused on closing the remaining small gaps and completing the finishing details. The lower section of the lateral diamond is now heavily covered with formwork. The walls and reinforced structures that were prepared earlier are being enclosed with the formwork, leaving this area ready for the next concrete pouring stage. A large portion of the previously exposed reinforcement is now hidden behind the formwork, showing how quickly this section is moving toward concrete work. Additional metal connection elements have been installed along the upper part of the lateral section. These elements are being prepared around the future door and decorative frame areas, adding another layer of structural and finishing preparation to the facade. The installation is continuing across the upper openings, gradually preparing these areas for their final architectural treatment. A few gaps still remain between the installed ceramic lama sections in the corner. Most of the surrounding facade is already covered, but these remaining sections will need to be completed to create a continuous line of lamas across the corner. Once these final pieces are installed, this part of the facade will look much more uniform and complete. Work continues on the second-level mobility core, where the structural preparation for the remaining sandwich panels is progressing. The area is being prepared so the exterior panels can continue across the sections that are still open. New structural pieces are being positioned to complete the support system before the remaining panels are installed. Preparation has also advanced on the third level. New vertical structural elements are being installed in the mobility core area, creating the necessary support for the future sandwich panels that will eventually cover this section between the upper cantilever levels. This is an important preparatory stage before we start seeing the first major sandwich panel coverage at this level. A new block wall is now being raised inside the lateral diamond. Workers are actively building the wall, creating another structural division within the lower part of the diamond and adding visible progress to this area. The new wall is clearly changing the layout of the interior and filling another previously open section of the diamond. The upper lama section at the north goal corner is being prepared for future LED lighting installation. The LED fixtures are not installed yet, but workers are already working around the cable routes and preparing the support area for the upcoming lights. The necessary preparation is already underway, so the next step will be the installation of the lighting fixtures themselves. Scaffolding is being removed from the interior sections of the north goal mobility cores. Workers are dismantling the temporary structures and passing the components down, gradually clearing the area and preparing it for the next exterior finishing stages. Removing this scaffolding opens up the working space and allows the remaining facade works to move forward more easily. Insulation materials remain visible around the north goal area, while a concrete pump is also present following the recent concrete works around the second cantilever. Activity is quieter in this section today, but the interior preparation and finishing works continue. The materials already positioned here indicate that work is continuing even where there is little visible movement from outside. The llama support structures in the north goal corner are already prepared across the relevant sections, with the remaining work focused on completing the supports and preparing them for the next ceramic llama installations. This will allow the unfinished gaps between the existing llama sections to be progressively closed.